Greetings everyone, this is Cloud ML Fairy. Before coming to the topic of this video, I would love to tell you all that there is free access on DataCamp website until September 12, 2021 for courses including Introduction to SQL, Introduction to Python and Introduction to R. So without wasting any time, make the most of this opportunity and start learning. DataCamp is an interactive learning platform for data science skills. Learn SQL, Python, Excel, R and Spark from the comfort of your browser. And this is the DataCamp website. So I will show you how to start learning on this website. First of all, you need to register your email address and password and click on start learning for free. I have already created an account, so I will click on sign in. Okay. So these are the courses currently I am enrolled in, and it is showing my current progress, here. So I am currently enrolled in Introduction to SQL. So this is how you can register on the website and start learning any of the courses out of the three, because these three particular courses have free subscription until 12th of September 2021. And now coming to the topic of this video. Guys, Oracle University is giving 1 year of free learning subscription for several courses in IT sector, including cloud computing and software engineering, etc. So enroll as soon as possible, and you also earn a certificate and badges on course completion from Oracle University itself. There are several courses that you can pick from. This is the Oracle University website. Okay, I will paste this link in the description also for the DataCamp website also. So you need to click on create an account first. I have already created an account, so I will click on sign in. So it will show you the subscriptions and the courses that you can take. This is the library. You can search the library and simply apply for any of these. Application development learning subscription, data management learning subscription, Oracle Cloud infrastructure learning subscription. Just click on go and you will be able to apply for these. Click on Explorer and then get started. Okay, so this is how you can access the contents on both these websites. I hope you found this video of good information, and for more such videos please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Let's learn together. Thank you and happy learning.